Hello friends, I am Jainji. This is our channel Jain Social. Today we are going to discuss about two issues. The first one is Russia pulls out of Open Sky Treaty. What is the reason behind it? Then the next one is India is added in the list of difficult four countries. So what is the reason for this? We are going to see one by one in this video. The Open Sky Treaty was signed among more than 30 countries. The purpose of the treaty was to spy on other member countries in the group by anyone in the group. So it was first proposed by the former US President Eisenhower to reduce the Cold War tension between the Soviet Union bloc as well as US bloc in 1955, because in Cold War era many of the countries either joined in US bloc or the Soviet Union bloc. So the tension between these two blocs increased over a period. So there is a threat of launching war against each other. But the Open Skies Treaty only signed in 1992 between NATO and Warsaw Pact. The NATO was mainly formed by European countries to prevent security threat from Russia. So Russia has formed Warsaw Pact to prevent security threat from NATO. The Warsaw Pact countries include Russia plus 7 East European countries. For instance, East Germany, Hungary, Poland, Armenia. The NATO also claimed that any attack on its member country is considered as the attack on whole NATO. So the whole NATO member will retaliate with full force against the enemy. The abbreviation for NATO is North Atlantic Treaty Organization. The Open Sky Treaty only came into force in 2002, and the aim of the treaty is to reduce tension between the NATO as well as Warsaw Pact countries and also build trust among member countries of both the group. Now let me see the important features of Open Skies Treaty. The Open Sky Treaty allows the member country to spy on other member in the group through unarmed plane, and also they need to get the permission of host country before spying on host country. The country which is interested to spy on host country must give notification 72 hours before the host country, and also their traveling path information must be provided to the host country before 24 hours. And again, the only permitted imaging equipments will be allowed while spying for capturing video or taking any photo for the movement of troops or any defense development. The information which is collected while spying will be shared among other Open Skies Treaty members. The US has left the Open Skies Treaty in May 2020. So now Russia is worrying that the US allies still part of Open Skies Treaty. So the spied information over Russia collected may be shared with US by the US allies in the Open Skies Treaty. So the obstacles in the Open Skies Treaty not yet solved, so Russia is leaving. Now the experts are worrying about that the US and Russia New START Treaty, that is Nuclear Arm Control Treaty, is going to be expired on February 5, 2021. So whether the US as well as Russia are going to renew the treaty, otherwise they may be involved in arm race, which is a threat for the globe. But the new president of the US, Joe Biden, has shown interest to renew the treaty. So let me hope that the rivalry between Russia and the US should not threat the global security. Now let me see the difficult four countries. The list was formed by the Royal Institute of International Affairs, which is a policy research institution in the UK, which says that the members of these four countries, that is Turkey, Saudi Arabia, India, Russia, don't have the capacity to fight for their human rights. So it is a critique to India's recent political development. The ruling party in India give more importance to the Hindu nationalism, that is majority people's religion is enforced on the minorities. So the minorities' rights as well as their religious freedom are violated, particularly against the Muslim as well as Christians. So it is entirely against our basic structure of the constitution, which is emphasize the secularism. Secularism means the state is maintain enough distance from each religion, and also religion is a private affairs. So everyone has, as a Indian citizen, to follow their own religion, whichever they are interested and whichever they have faith in. The feeling of unity in diversity only creates Indianness among Indians. So we may diverse in religion, culture, caste, language and greed. Even then, let me continue to live as Indians. Okay friends, what do you think about this video? Give your opinion in the comment section. And also, do you feel that I have explained enough about Open Skies Treaty and the difficult four countries? Give your opinion in the comment section. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.